Today we will show you how to install your bike on the NEO 3M. Make sure you have installed the proper end cap supports and end caps for your bike type. This video will show installing a quick release bike. Shift your bike to the smallest cassette gear. Remove the rear wheel. Insert your axle and hand tighten. Align your bike on the trainer and place the chain on the smallest cog of the trainer cassette. Lock in the quick release lever. Next, place the wheel support under the front tire. The small side holds a tire width max of 30 mm and larger side max of 61 mm. Now you are ready to ride. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com. Thanks for watching.